This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about swizzle sticks, specifically this Bar Luxe wood swizzle stick. It's a natural wood swizzle stick that's 11 1/4 inches long. And it's made from a natural wood that's both stylish and eco-friendly, making it an awesome way to mix your drinks. So it's perfect for the mixing and gentle stirring of cocktails for service or to use while being consumed. They're carved from pine wood and inspired by the traditional Les Bois Lele style from Martinique. The sticks are used to make traditional cocktails like tea punch and the Barbados red rum swizzle. They're a charming touch for those classic Caribbean cocktails or just to make some Caribbean-inspired ones of your own. And they're a great way to gently mix and enhance the flavors of your cocktails, making them perfect for bars, restaurants, and lounges, or just to use at home.